Hello everyone. In this tutorial we'll be going over how to create your own custom solver in OpenFOAM. So specifically we'll just be copying an existing solver in the OpenFOAM main library and changing the name of it to our own name and compiling that. This is typically what's done anyways. You pick a close solver to the one you want to implement and then change the names and then make your modifications and then compile it. So first we'll start with the explaining what the files are. So this first file here is our example case that we'll be running. It just comes from the standard OpenFOAM tutorials folder. And in this folder we have our solvers. So this is our new custom solver, and this is the original OpenFOAM solver that's part of the standard library. These header files come from are needed by the standard, and for some reason they're just outside the folder. That's just how it was in the standard library. And we'll be using them as well in our custom one because it's essentially the same but just with a different name. So you really only need to do a few changes to do this. So if we go to our new solver, so if we just start by copying this and renaming it to our new name. So all you need to do is change the file in the make folder here, inside the make folder, and just change this the new executable name to your new solver and the main source file to your new solver name. So, and then in the main source file, this is optional but good to do. You can change the application description, the application name and the description inside the comment header, and that's really all you need to do inside the new solver. It's pretty simple. Of course, you'll be making modifications to your actual real new solver. So with this, we can go ahead and compile our new renamed solver. So just go to the solver directory, in this case mySolver, call wclean. Now it may not happen all the time, but if you try to compile this you might get permissions errors. So what you do is type sudo bash so that you can compile this as a super user, and call wmake, and this should compile everything. We get a little warning here, it's kind of inconsequential, and it's successfully compiled. So now we can actually call mySolver, and we'll just say help just to see if OpenFOAM recognizes it. And as you can see, it does. Your solver, it has the usage options and all that. So great, we've already compiled our new solver. Now since this is just, let's exit out of the super user privilege. So this is just a copy of pimpleDyMFoam. So we'll run our new solver on a case, on the tutorial case here that I described earlier, since it was a pimpleDyMFoam tutorial case. So in order to do that, all we need to do is go to the control dictionary. So that would be in the tutorial file under system, and yeah, under the system folder you can find the control dict file. So all we need to do is change our application to your new solver name, and then that's it. Now the default was 5. I'm going to change it to 1 second just so it runs quickly for you to see. And as you can see, I've already run it before, but I'll just run it again just so that you can see. So I'll remove all of the previous run files. First I need to get to the main directory. So this is what we started with, and call all run. Remember that it knows to use our new solver because we specified it in the control dictionary. So just call all run. And done. It successfully ran with our new solver. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy foaming.